Which is matter, which is not. Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. As we open our eyes, there are a lot of things we can see around us, and these things are perceived as matter. But which is matter and which is not? And to answer that question, we should know first what is matter all about. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. In simple sense, to be considered as matter, it should have volume or the space occupied by an object, and mass or the amount of matter it contains, which can be measured in grams, kilograms, and the likes. In this case, the rocks, the steel, the air inside the balloon, the water, and even plants and animals are matter because they occupy space and they have mass. How about heat and light? Are they considered matter? Well, the answer is no. Remember that a matter should have mass, or the amount of matter it contains, and volume, or the space it may occupy. And in the case of heat and light, both have no mass and volume, so they are not matter but just simply a form of energy. How about sound? Is it matter? Well, it's not a matter, although it has volume, but the word volume here is defined differently. In physics, this is just the loudness from the intensity of sound wave, with no mass at all, so it's not a matter. How about shadow? Is it matter? Well, the answer is no again, simply because it is just when light is blocked with something. There are three states of matter, namely solid, liquid, and gas. Each state of matter has different properties. Solid material has definite shape, mass, and volume. Its molecules are tightly fixed or closely packed together due to strong forces of attraction with very low energy in between them. This is also a reason why they vibrate in place. Examples of solid materials are rocks, trees, steel, and even the food we eat. Liquid has definite volume and mass. However, its shape is indefinite as it only takes the shape of the container as the particles can move around each other. Also, its molecules have little spaces in between them, or they are slightly closer one another. Hence, they cannot be compressed since there is no space to move into. Examples of liquid materials are water, juice, fish sauce, salt solution, or seawater. On the other hand, gas has no definite shape and volume, for it only takes or flows the shape of the container. Its particles can move quickly in all directions. The molecules are loosely packed or farther apart due to its low or weak forces of attraction with high kinetic energy. Examples of gas materials are carbon dioxide, water vapor, and oxygen. Again, matter has mass and volume. Just like as humans, we are considered matter because we have mass and we occupy space.